They ran towards us, out of the hangar, out of this doorway. Ooh, you know, it's almost as though the world's gone black and white. You know, I'm in another time. Some with shaven heads. We call it lantern jaw. Gaunt eyes, inflated. Rangy fists, bony hands. They sat down for what was called lunch. Watery bean stew, took their bowl. Well, it was slop, as we call it. You know, it was water with a couple of beans floating around in it. Each took a bit of bread in his hand, and interestingly later kept them for later. I saw them holding their bread. They didn't eat it then, they needed it for later, or tomorrow, or the next day, or for somebody else, maybe. In a state of palpable fear. They got about a minute, maybe 3 minutes, maybe, to eat this thing before another 30 came in, and then they left, and then another 30. I didn't know then that we were looking at the best of the best. We were looking at hand-picked men in the best condition. But the best condition in Omarska is terrible. Even that which they put on show of Omarska for the cameras was so dreadful. And it was so obviously not the whole picture. So the question is, what is the whole picture?